Houston, we have a lipstick problem. Hey everyone, my name's Neelou, and today I'm gonna be trying on the newest Sephora favorites, Give Me Some More lip set. I have tried on a ton of these. I always do the Give Me Some New lip, some nude lip, some bold lip. I do a lot of different Sephora favorites kits, but this one is the biggest set I've done so far, and I'm really excited about it. This retails for $68 US. It comes with 14 lipsticks, 5 of which are full size, which I think is great. This is a little bit pricey. I was a little bit hesitant about buying this one because A, I don't need all the lipsticks in it, and B, it's 70 bucks. But a few people on my channel were asking about it, and a lot of people showed interest in it, and I really wanted the Sharp Tilbury lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna start with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea H2O lip gloss in the color Hangten. Just upon first swatch that I did on my hand, it's very creamy lip gloss and slightly sheer, but it's like in the middle. It's not super sheer, it's not super opaque, but it's definitely a creamier feeling. It's not sticky like, let's say, like the Buxom Dolly lipsticks or even this Gen Nude one from Bare Minerals, but let's try this one on. Slightly weird. If you saw me making faces, it's because the applicator is like really like floppy. It's not stiff at all, so it's really kind of awkward because the product is sticky, so it's like you're dragging it trying to apply and it's just kind of like flailing everywhere. I like the color. I can see it in my lip lines, but I think that'll kind of settle over time. I have tried this before, but I tried like a super glittery lip topper one in another one of my videos, so I wasn't too happy with that because I don't like glitter that much, but I actually really like this color. I think it's a gorgeous color to wear on its own or to top stuff with. I've been wearing gloss a lot lately, and it seems sticky enough to where it'll actually stay on the lips, but not too sticky, so I do think it will go out of the lip lines. I'm gonna say this is not the best lip gloss in this whole set, but I like it and I am excited to try it out. It has a faint, like, sweet smell, but it's not super overpowering, just that, like, generic, like, cupcake icing type of smell, if that makes sense. Okay, the next one I'm gonna try on is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Gloss in the color Everything, and this I'm really excited about. In the hand swatch I did, I could tell that it's really sticky, so, like, way stickier than the Tarte gloss I just used. The applicator's a lot smaller and a lot less floppy, so I feel like it gives you a little bit more precise application. Also has the cupcake icing-y smell. Let's try this one on. Okay, just kidding, the applicator is just as floppy and annoying as the other one. It's something I can deal with. This is super opaque. Like, look at this color. It's darker color than the Tarte one, but it's also more opaque than the Tarte lip gloss. It reminds me a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills glosses that are really opaque, and those always end up going out my lip lines. I like this because I think because of the stickiness, it's a lot stickier than that Tarte lip gloss. I think it will be a little bit less prone to sliding outside of the lip lines because the Anastasia glosses are like very opaque and very not sticky, so they go everywhere for me. But this is just kind of a nice dark nude on me, and I like it so far. I think these are both very versatile glosses, a little lighter, more transparent one, and then the darker, slightly more opaque lip gloss. Both a thumbs up for me. Okay, the next lipstick I'm gonna try is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the color Poet. It is a beautiful mauve shade. And I've tried Anastasia liquid lipsticks before, although not on my channel. And they are really great quality lipsticks. They remind me a little bit of the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks. So let's try this on. Okay, that was a horrible application. This is quick drying. I can see it drying really quickly already. Let's smell it. Smells like makeup, just smells chemically. This is beautiful. It's kind of a mauvey purple. I see, it reminds me of a Bite Rhubarb. I tried it on in my holiday 2017 set, lipstick sets, and it reminds me of that Amuse Bouche color. So I like this a lot. I think let's see if it transfers. Okay, that's a good amount of transfer for something I applied like 2 seconds ago. Tried it again and it's even less. So if you blotted this thing, it probably lasts forever. Thumbs up for me. I already feel it a little bit drying though. That's why I said it reminds me a little bit of the Stila Stay All Day lipsticks, because it's a very liquidy, watery formula. It's not creamy, but it's still super opaque, so it's almost like a powdery feel on the lips, which can get drying. Like it's really there now though. So this is still a thumbs up if you don't mind the slight dryness. This won't come off, so I can't try on my next one. Abort mission. Okay, this is definitely this is like, I don't rub my lips like this usually, because your girl don't want wrinkles, but like, this is not coming off. Okay, I definitely had to bust out the oil to take that off. The micellar water was not enough. Okay, the next lipstick I'm gonna try on is the Melted Matte Liquified Longwear Lipstick from Too Faced, and this is in the color Queen Bee. Reminds me of Beyonce. This looks like a very pretty light pink with slight purplish tones. It's kind of scaring me because it's a little bit on the cool side, and we know how that goes. But in my hand swatch, it did look pretty dark compared to what it looks like in the tube, so we'll see. I have this in Lady Balls from their holiday set from last year, and that's like their bright red color, and it's beautiful and the formula is amazing. So let's see how this performs. This one's pretty. It is slightly white based, a little bit washy outy for me, I think. I don't know. I like the color on first glance, and I am staring over here because my mirror is right here, but I like the color. I'm kind of afraid that it's a little bit too light and slightly washes me out, the like white based purple tones. But I do think it's pretty, and it's already dry, so again, barely any transfer, but I love this formula. I've tried it before and I know it's great. So this is a thumbs up for me. I'm gonna try on a lipstick that I know and love. I've never tried this color, but it's the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. This one's in the color Do Me Baby, which is in line with their typical branding. I see a lot of brown undertones. It's gonna be a really nice fall color, but we'll see. These kind of colors usually, like the purple doesn't really show for me. It's like that brown just comes like crashing through and just looks like poop. So let's try it on. You know, I actually really like this. It's a very unique kind of purpley brown shade, but it feels kind of like more of a stain on the lips than like a full-on velvet matte like Cruella or like Trembloux and some of their other colors. It's definitely stainy, so it feels like the way Dolce Vita applies, which for me is not pigmented enough, but this is like super buildable, and because it's a darker color, it actually shows up on my lips. I like this, and I love NARS lip pencils in general, so I'm definitely biased. I think they have gorgeous colors, gorgeous formulation. Wish we didn't have to sharpen them, but they're so sleek and the packaging is so nice, so I can't really complain. So I also will give this one a yay. All right, people, this is what you guys have been waiting for. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in the color Bond Girl. This is one of her most popular colors, I think. I've heard a lot about it, and I've tried out Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks before, but the creamy formula for me didn't have enough color payoff. It was just too meh, so I'm really excited to try the matte version. This one also looks like a really gorgeous fall color, but man, I feel like I just like bought this set because of this only, because I've been wanting it for so long, and it's just so beautiful. It's such a gorgeous color, and let's get right to it. This color is so pretty. I see like some brown, some purple, a little bit of red. Like this is just gorgeous. Wow, 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 wow. I love it, and the formula is really creamy. It doesn't feel drying at all. Like it's not hard to apply, it doesn't pull, but it's super, super buildable as well. So it's not like very opaque, but it's not opaque enough. So it's pigmented enough, I think, to build. Wow, this is really pretty. It smells like cupcakey, but like classy cupcake. It's different from the like super frilly cupcake. It's more like the bougie cupcake, you know? This one's a thumbs up. I'm like hella biased. The packaging is nice. I love it. It's bougie and it works pretty. The next one I'm gonna try on is the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte Lipstick, and this is in the color Vino Noir. So it's a play on Pinot Noir. I am salty about Smashbox. I've talked about this before. I own this in I forgot the color name. December's Give Me Some New Lip Kit. I've complained about this before on my channel, but I find that metallic or not, the Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks dry up so quickly in the tube. It makes me so angry. And so I really want to give this, like I wanted to give this away to someone, but I just really wanted to swatch it because I wanted you guys to see what it looks like on my lips. Man, I know the quality is just like not up my alley. Like it's a pretty formula, but it's kind of drying, kind of like flakes. It looks great on the lips and actually like works nicely, but the product dries up so quickly in the tube that there's no point in buying it. So if it weren't in the set, I would not purchase it, and I would also not recommend it. Well, I was talking all this smack. I love this, it's beautiful. I actually think, so the last one I tried on was like a more gold, it was like a lighter metallic. This one's dark, so that metallic-y, just duochrome-y looking thing just comes out. It's beautiful. I actually really like this, but I'm gonna have to use it up quickly because, I know I'm not gonna use it all up, but I'm gonna have to use it quickly because these dry up. I still don't recommend them, but the fact that it was in this set was the only reason that I have my hands on it right now. I do like this a lot. Let's see if it transfers. Very little, but I just applied it like 2 seconds ago, so I'm pretty impressed. I know these last long, but when they do come off, they get a little bit patchy. I do like them though. I really don't recommend these, whether it's the regular or the metallic, because if you buy it, you don't want it to dry up within 6 months. Like, it's just a joke. But overall though, in terms of this set, I really like this color even better than that Give Me Some New Lip set color, the lighter gold bronzy metallic. This is gorgeous. I think the darker shade has like a little bit more, it's like, it doesn't even stand out as much that it's sparkly, but it gives your lips like this interesting contour. It's like that contour effect, but without the effort. Okay, the last two I want to try on are the two reds. So I actually wanted to give one of these away, but because I find that they're both different, like one is slightly orange based and a little bit warmer, and one is like super blue based, really cool. I wanted to try on both so you guys can see what they look like on me. I'll start with the Yves Saint Laurent. It's the Tatouage Couture in number 1 Rouge Tatouage. So it's a beautiful orangey red. I am very confused right now. Okay, so I can see how this could be a stain because it's really liquidy. I think I used way too much even after wiping it off on the little stopper, but it's weird. It just feels like water. I know it's not dry, so if I do this little thing, this little test, I'm gonna get it all over my hand. I'm just very confused. It says tatouage, so it's like supposed to be like a tattoo kind of thing. I can see that because it's kind of, I can see like my lip color underneath it. So it's a little bit not pigmented. I don't know. It's weird. It's just a weird texture. I don't know if I will actually use this. I am iffy about this product. I actually think, like, I know the hype around YSL lip products are huge and just makeup products in general, but I haven't really been that impressed with any YSL products I've tried. This one's okay, but it's kind of weird, and I mean, maybe if you blot it, it could be like a more natural red. It looks really normal in person and very like muted and kind of like downplayed on my mirror, but in the viewfinder, it is like scary bright red orange. I think it's pretty. It's a pretty color, but I guess you'd have to, if you blotted it, I mean, meh. Okay, the last one I'm gonna try on is the cooler of the two reds, and it's Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Outlaw. It's a beautiful blue-based red. This one's gonna be very opaque and very pigmented. I know that already. I'm biased. I've already used and loved these for a long time. I did a best of Sephora favorites, so where I like compiled all my favorite lipsticks from all the Sephora favorites kits that I've tried so far on my channel, and this product itself, not this color, but the product itself was in it, and I like these lipsticks a lot. They're very pigmented. They're not my favorite liquid lipstick, but definitely one of my favorites out of all the Sephora favorites products that I've tried. So out of the two reds, I think formula-wise, 100% this, and then color-wise is really just a preference. This just felt like watery and weird. I don't know. But at least they give you two options. I like that they give you a warm and a cool red. So to make up for the fact that I spent $70 on a billion lipsticks I don't need, I'm gonna be giving away some of the lipsticks in this set. Really, I'm never gonna use all of these lipsticks or finish up all these lipsticks, so I decided to do a partial giveaway. So the way I kind of chose products that I'm gonna give away versus the ones I try on, where A, like what do people wanna see me try on the most? And B, what have I tried on before on my channel? So all the stuff I'm giving away, I've tried on before on my channel, maybe not that specific color, but I've tried that product on before and a similar color. So I thought, you know, you can always check out my old videos. I'll put some clips in from my last videos, but these are the ones I'm giving away. The Bite Amuse Bouche Liquified lip in the color Marsala. I'm giving away the cream lip stain deluxe size from Sephora. This is just in a color that I know is gonna wash the crap out of me, and it's way too light for me, I can tell already, so I'm gonna give that one away. I'm also giving away the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Cushion, why did I say cushion? Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss in the color Naked. I've tried this on, not the specific color, but a similar one in one of my videos as well. I will link all the videos below where I've tried on these lipsticks so you can check that out. Next, I'm giving away a Marc Jacobs lippy. This is a deluxe size liquid lip crayon in the color Plum and Get It. It's a deluxe size, but it's a gorgeous formula and like has this really cool duochrome effect. I think someone will really enjoy that. And then I'm giving away one of the full-size products, and this is the Huda Beauty Metallic Lip Gloss. And I think it was called their Lip Strobe earlier, but I guess they changed it. It's the metallic lip gloss in the color Snobby. I tried on this exact one in my Give Me Some New Lip set. So I'm giving away the full size because I have the deluxe size already. So all of these are stuff that I've either tried on my channel already, or in this case, doesn't suit me at all. I don't even want to bother trying it and let someone have it who would actually use it. So to enter to win these 5 beautiful things, you just have to be subscribed to my channel. Check out the description box below for giveaway information. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed seeing these swatches. Let me know which one was your favorite out of the ones that I tried, and if you want to win some of the items out of this set that I mentioned earlier, please check the description box below for giveaway information. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.